In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage, track, and nurture your audience. First, you need to add to your contacts tab here. When you arrive on this page, you have two types of lists. The first one are your custom lists that you created. I have the hot leads, the breakfast, the VIPs on my end that I created myself. And you have the dynamic lists of people who like your posts and commented on my post. Here I am on the list of people who commented on my post. It's 45 people. And what's interesting is that I can know who these people are right in the same place and see who's interesting for me. For example, I can check this person. So they're in my ICP, it seems, because they're a product manager. They work in professional services, an agency. Okay. I can add a personal note, maybe, just to make sure that I keep track of things. I can send them a DM. I can see the interactions they had with me, the latest posts. So tons of things that I can do from there. I can also access their profile on LinkedIn, of course. I can delete them if I think they don't make sense anymore in my list. And once I'm done with this exercise, what I want to do is engage back, because that's part of the game. These people engage with you. You can engage with them so that they are always aware of you and you're always top of mind. To do this, you need to use the engagement fees. As a reminder, the engagement fees are three things. The first one is engaging with comments on your own posts. So I have some comments on my post that I need to reply to. You can also engage with influencers list that we curated. So for example, for me, I guess I would be interested maybe in the product and SWE lists of people. So I can engage with these people that I don't necessarily know, but I can leverage their audience. And if you want to engage with your audience, you need to add two custom lists. So I'm going to select the list of the people who commented on my posts that I showed earlier. And from there, I'm going to get all their posts. So this is Angeli that we had before in the custom list. So what I can do is, using the smart reply, say that I agree with her, and it's going to generate a reply for me. Connected AI, real data frequency variable, and then learning experience. So maybe I can add an emoji. Maybe I can mention her and just send the comment, and I'm done. And that's how the game works. People engage with you, you engage with them, you expand your reach, they expand theirs. That's really how the game works. What you can target is maybe 10 to 20 comments a day. If you can do more, it's even better, but it's a good target to start from. And that's how you track, manage, and nurture your audience.